here with one of the players that is from the Dorans. Can you just brief me on what is your opinion based on the clubs who are making money in the community but they're not giving back to the community? What is your opinion on that? Because we see some houses are burning. Sometimes you see that the weather is not good and they will be floored, some few houses, but we never see some clubs in the community who are giving back to the community. What is your opinion on those things? Or maybe in future, if you become a coach, will you have that vision to bring a development in the community?
You see, the clubs already give a lot back to the community when they put the name on the top of the list. You see, so when the club is making money, the money is for the club, so the club can survive and provide players with medicine, clinics, and what you see.
But do you know that if the community does not support the club does not have money. The money is actually coming from the community. The fans is the community. Without the fans, there is no money. But why the club itself does not have a vision to give back to the community?
They give back to
How
the
do
community.
they give back?
Entertain the community.
Yeah, and they put the name on top of the list. Everywhere you go, you hear the community's name and what.
But why we hear some coaches stealing the money?
That's why the community, they love to
That is not
enjoy
a coach who love
watching us play rugby.
Okay. Are you also playing rugby?
Yes.
Number what?
Number 11.
It's like
No, this is not a rugby player.
Video,
This is a tennis